Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can use your Shokz open move. This is going to be a guided. After finishing this video you'll know exactly how to use it. So let me start sharing about the buttons, and then I'm going to show you how you can connect the phone, listen to music and all of that. So when you're going to have the Shokz open move, here on your left one you are going to find a button. This is going to be a multifunction button, and thanks to this multifunction button we can play, pause music, play the next song, preview song, answer call, end call, and that's like what you can do with it. And also you can like answer call, waiting, and end current call, or even press and hold it for like ignoring the call. So all of that you can do with the multifunction button. Then you are going to have this button right here. It's a power and plus button, and then you're gonna have the minus for the volume down. When you would open this part here, you're going to find a USB-C there for charging, and you're going to plug it for charging. So that's about the buttons. Now, to connect it, it's super simple. Press and hold the power on and a plus button for a few seconds, and just press and hold it until it's going to blink like this. Do you see that? So right now it's in pairing mode. If you have Android, it's super simple to connect it. Now with the iPhone, important thing to know is that with the iPhone, you need to have Shokz app if it's not going to connect it directly with the Bluetooth. So I'm going to turn on the Bluetooth. I'm going to scroll down. And here, I'm going to wait until it's going to be available devices, or I have already here. Oh, I don't have it. I have it here, Open Move by Shokz. And I'm just going to wait until it's going to load. Okay, I want to pair. Okay, now I have it. Now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to YouTube Music. You can use Spotify, whatever you want. And let's say I'm going to have this song. And I'm going to play the song here. And look at this. So now I have the multifunction button right here. When I'm going to press it once, I'm going to pause it. When I'm going to press again, I'm going to play. When I'm going to double click, I'm going to play the next song. When I'm going to triple click, I'm going to play the previous song. Now also for clicking once, you can have answer the call, and clicking once, you're going to end the call when you're calling. Also, what you can do with the multifunction button, you can answer call, waiting, and end current call for like holding it for 2 seconds. You can ignore a call for again holding the multifunction button for 2 seconds. And that's it, right? And you can also redial the last number by double click, or activate voice assistant, press and hold for 2 seconds when the device is on standby. Now, when you look here on the plus and minus, this is just super simple for the volume. Look at this. I'm going to play the song. And now I'm pressing the plus button or the minus button. Do you see that? Works really good. So that's pretty much it about the basics on how we can use it. Now also you can download the Shokz app, and I will see if it's going to actually like connect. So let's see here if the app is actually working, because I didn't succeed to connect it with it for some reason. I don't really understand why. So I'm just going to test it out here if I can like find it. But even here you see like, please ensure that the headset and cell phone Bluetooth are connected. It is, but I just like can't connect it for some reason. And I have, oh, it's unsupported. I get it now. I didn't know that. So this is also new information for me, is that you can't connect the open move with the app. That's interesting. So I hope I gave you value with this video on how you can use this device and how you can use the open move. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.